this was so good.
Yes.
Oh, see this one?
No scratches.
You did that.
Yes, ma'am. You also got your count. Oh yeah, look at that reflection. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, thank y'all. It
Yeah.
was so good.
Thank you. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. So we had a late start today because there's my client right there. Because we did the job in Columbia, South Carolina yesterday. So what we got here today, guys, we are in Locust Grove, Georgia. This is a new client. Did not come out to do an in-home consultation. She watched my videos. She said, Courtney, I'm just so happy to have you out here. So this is Miss Wendy. She just pulled up. She left the door open for us. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit close to 1,000 square feet of engineered floor, screen, recoat. Have a little color correction here and there. And she also saw my video. She added the countertops. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we're in Locust Grove. I had an in-home consultation this morning. It was in Johns Creek, but I rescheduled him for Monday. So we got these countertops, granite. These are granite. And then we have all these floors right here. Got some little scratches here. We're going to fill those in. Hey, Wendy, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Right here. And these areas, so the floors are not bad, guys. Little areas right here, here. Like someone dragged something, so we're just gonna add some color back to those. Put down the Recoat and UV Cure. It is a beautiful day in the area. And once we get the Recoat down, we're gonna go have some lunch and then come back and UV Cure. All right, guys, let me get in here and talk to my client, and I'll see you soon. I mean, I'll see you in the next one. The next part of the video. All right, guys, Recoat is going down. All right, guys, look at these floors now. Came out amazing, amazing, amazing. Remember all those scuff marks and those scratches that was all right here? Oh man, it came out really good. All right, guys, what I'm about to go ahead and do is get the UV machine warmed up. Man, this came out great. Also, we got the countertops done. You can really see it right here with the light. All right, guys. Go ahead and get these floors UV cured. Stay tuned. Come on in, Wendy. We just finished the UV cure. Look at your floors and your countertops. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, this was so good.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, see this one?
Wait, no scratches.
You did that.
Yes, ma'am. You also got your count. Oh yeah, look at that reflection. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, thank y'all.
Yeah.
It was so good.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, come on, walk through. Yeah, it came out really good. Yeah, you done turn it off. Yep. Go all through here.
Man.
Yeah.
Are you serious? It looks so
It
good.
looks so good.
Much better. Oh,
Thank-
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And when you guys moving in?
The 15th.
15? Oh, just right around. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Perfect timing.
I'm doing repacking.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't know.
Thank you so much. This came out really good.
How do you?
All right, guys.